Hey there, it's Mary Sheila here, and I'm actually in my garden. It's winter time, so there's not a whole lot going on besides kind of lots of things just volunteering themselves. But I did plant a couple beds full of cruciferous vegetables, which are such a great ally to our health. They're high in B vitamins, they're high in folate, they're high in a lot of these things called isothiocyanates, if that's how you say it. But these things are like very cancer protective, and they're enzymes, and they kind of when we start chewing on them and digesting them, they activate and they support the liver in helping us to get rid of toxins, and they can support the stomach and help us to remove excess hormones in the body. So they're just amazing. And so I'm going to show you my garden, my little my little bed of cruciferous that I planted. It's not perfect, but it's still what as good as it gets. Okay, so these are all these little volunteer flowers, but I realized they were kind of helping to block the way for the birds that like to get in and eat these cruciferous in the wintertime. So I've got some bird netting, but look at that little broccoli. It's kind of as little, if you see my hand next to it. It's not huge, but still I'm very excited. And here's some cabbages starting to form. And look at that gorgeous color, right? So that color is telling me something too. It's gonna be some great nutrients. And here's some kale. And whenever I come in to harvest the kale, I always grab one of the outer leaves and I try to grab it right by the stem, pull it out, and then, you know, new ones will grow and I'll keep going. I've got a few different kinds. There's a collard. Collards are so amazing. They're really fun to like steam and then wrap like a tortilla. I definitely feel like this family of vegetables is best off being cooked, at least these guys, versus raw. Although sometimes we have raw kale, or you might have raw like a cabbage salad, but it's better in general to cook these because they are higher in oxalates. I've got another bed right here too with some more of the collards, and there's another little broccoli. That bed didn't do as well, but here's my little garden, and I'm having a lot of fun. Winter gardening is really nice because it's a lot easier. You just kind of put them in there and you don't have to water, and you see what happens, but you do have to protect it from the hungry birds. Here's a little parsley too. Parsley is really great for blood pressure, and it's kind of has a little diuretic effect. It's delicious as a like just as a condiment, you know, topping on things, or sometimes you can make a chimichurri. You do want to be careful of too much parsley. It is higher in oxalate, so you want to be, you know, treat it like a garnish as it usually is, but it's a yummy, delicious garnish. So there you have it, my little garden beds. I've got raspberries and things like that over here that are all dormant, so we'll have some fun in the summertime with more of those veggies. All right, thanks for watching, and don't forget to eat your greens.